Today I'm going to show you how to remove the time from the date in an Excel file. As you can see, I've got a whole column here full of dates and times mixed together, and I want to be able to have it just so the date's there without the time. Now there's other ways you can do this using formulas and such in Excel. I use a really cool tool called Kutools. It doesn't cost much, but the time and energy it saves is simply amazing. It has all these different settings you've got, but basically it's got a nice easy formula helper to be able to separate the time from the date. Show you how easy it is. So for example, I want to remove this whole column here of all the time to dates, and there's hundreds and hundreds of things. I've got thousands actually that I need to remove. So doing this tediously individually would be really hard. This is the straightforward way to separate it. So first thing you do is you want to select a cell where you want it to go into. So I want to be able to fill it down there. And next thing you do is you come into the Kutools and go to the formula helper. Then come down to remove time from date. Pops up like this. Make sure it's set on remove time from date. Date time. You click on this little button here. Select the cell, the first cell. That's all you need to do. Click OK. Click OK again, and now it comes over here and does that. And all you have to do now is expand the whole column. Now there may be an easier way to expand this whole column, but this is the only way I know how to do it. You just drag it all the way down until it gets to the end, and when you've done that, you let go, and it's done like that, nice and easy. Do it again. I know I have to do it for this one here as well. So there, formula helper, remove time from the date. Yep, that's how we do it. Click on the first one. Yep, no worries. Okay. And the same thing again. How simple is that? This saves so much time and energy. There we go. Okay. Done. And I just need to save that and I know it's fine. Thanks for watching.